If you look closely, you can see the play in the tire rod. Some movement is fine, but not as much as this. Remember to count the number of turns when removing the old tie rod so that you know where new one should be installed. In my case, I counted 32 full turns. Mounting the new 132 full turns in. I used a jack to press the tie rod up in its seat, so that it doesn't turn while mounting the locking nut. There are other ways to do this, but I find this way to be the easiest. I torqued the locking nut to 80 Newton meters. A bit hard to see, but there is not any play in the tie rod anymore. The movement you see comes from the hub assembly and brake disc. The last thing to do after lowering the car is to torque the wheel nuts to 120 Newton meters. Thanks for watching.